Hi, my name is Slavi, and in this video I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot a redirect loop in WordPress. This is really annoying issue and it took me several days to figure out, and also I was providing some information in one of the forums and several people tried to also troubleshoot it. I was launching this site, I was working on this site to provide different membership levels, but the problem with the redirect was when I click on the sign up, it would constantly redirect to the login page, actually the WordPress registration page, and also to the other page that was provided by the membership plugin. It was really annoying. It kind of stopped me and it wasn't a good experience. It took me about a week to think about ways how to tackle this problem, and I even installed the Xdebug on that server. And it turned out that one of my plugins was causing this. But most importantly is how to get to the cause, the root cause. I created this article and described it very thoroughly, included the steps and some explanations. Basically what I did was to hook into WordPress's filters, one of the filters that is called before the redirect. So it's called WP redirect. So that's the filter. And I hooked into it. So I'm going to scroll down a little. I've created a little plugin, MU plugin, which is a system plugin that needs to be installed, not installed, but just created here within MU plugins folder. You can name it however you want, as long as it ends in PHP. And that plugin is automatically enabled. Basically, this little function gets called when that filter is called. So basically, it doesn't modify the location, it just intercepts it and saves the data and continues. Here, the beauty of it is we ask it to be scheduled or to be executed very last. So the higher the number, the later that function is going to be called, and this is the number of parameters that it accepts by default. If I omit this, it's going to be just 1, but I wanted to receive the status as well. So that this one is the location where the user is going to be sent, and the status is either 301 or 302 the situation. And here we're saving the redirect log. I'm using the ZZZ prefix, so the file shows up at the very end of the file list, and here I'm locking the file before saving, and there is the append. So I don't know if it's visible. Yeah, I'm going to scroll down with my arrow keys. So basically this helped me pinpoint the exact issue. It was one of the plugins that was causing it, but thanks to this PHP function, the debug backtrace, its output looks like this. I'm going to scroll down a little. It provides a lot of output. So it shows up how it was called. Oops, let's scroll down a little. Okay, so that's the current function call, and there's the previous one is apply filters. That's called by WordPress, and it's somewhere in this line. I'm going to scroll down. It's in pluggable. So that's the line 1154. Previously it was called by a function called WP redirect, and it's within includes and canonical. And before that, there's another redirect called redirect canonical, and if I scroll down, it's template redirect, and there's require ones, and so forth. That's the debug information that one can see. This one is from my development machine, so it's definitely going to look differently on your end, but this constant, it's defined by WordPress, and it's the root of WordPress installation. I think that's about it. If you need help troubleshooting, feel free to contact us at orbisius.com.